on the chest. Okay. So yeah, I know that I'm very cool. Yeah. Okay. This one is the experiment number theory 10 from physics. So how to rotate without touching fingers, without touching eating this one. Okay. So in this theory we see that the solution inside that this one, the raspberry. Okay. This raspberry, how to outside from inside. Okay. without touching, so देखो this liquid are coming from inside. Very tasty, very sweet potato. Okay, so
इसका पता नहीं कितने सारे नाम रख दिए.
this thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, this one thumbnail. Okay, so let's start the experiment without any time waste coming. Okay, so first we do plug inside this two hole from this two plug. Okay, now second step, you start the button. Okay, now third step, don't touching. If you touch, then you only die. Okay, so be safe. This ये जितनी भी कार्य करता है ये हम एक्सपेरिमेंट के द्वारा हम अपने जितने भी होते हैं वो बोलते हैं स्टंट हमारे प्रोवाइडेड इसके द्वारा करते हैं जो आप समझ में आओ. नो स्मोकिंग किल्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप. नाउ लेट्स सी. Zoom inside this. Okay, slow motion. You want slow motion? No. Okay, let's start. Bye. Okay. Kisan, see what is going on. Now raspberry. You see that? What is?